Hey guys, it's me again. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Maria. I like to do makeup and all that good stuff. And yeah, this is the look that I came up with. Really cute and sultry. Also, no lashes today. Just keep watching if you want to see how I did this look. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, you guys. You're here, so you might as well show some love. Also hit that like button for me. I was hanging out with my niece and my parents the other day, and I ended up getting sick from my niece. So I've just been kind of not feeling my best. I'm a little bitch. Anytime I feel under the weather, I just go MIA. I've just been going through some bullshit, to be honest. That's the good thing about having this channel, is that I have you guys to vent to. And that definitely makes a difference. So let me start my hair, and then when I come back, I'll be looking like a semi-decent person. Did a little something to the hair, nothing too special, but I just wanted to look presentable. So I'm actually gonna just jump right into my makeup, to be honest. Just so I can stop feeling so so I can lift my motherfucking spirit. So I actually have a few things that I wanted to chat about. One being, oh, I'm sorry you guys, I'm applying some Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead illuminating oil. This is what it looks like. You guys know that this has been my go-to recently. I feel like it just gives the skin a really nice glow. It's just like an illumination. Literally called illuminating oil. Oh my god, I'm sorry if I'm being redundant. I just put that all over. It's the first thing that I do. I'm sure you can play around with the steps if you're gonna add any other form of hydration to the face. I like to start out with it just because I feel like it does kind of jumpstart my skin, and it allows other products to seep in and moisturize a lot better. So that is my little tip if you guys want to try this out. I just love it so much. Water cream from Primera, another one of my must-haves. I really don't know what I would do without this cream. It's just it's my favorite. It's just so good. You have no idea. I'm gonna work that in. Usually if I were to just go in with this cream, it does an amazing job, but combined with that oil, it's bomb. Don't forget to bring it onto your neck, you guys. I'm also going to apply some lip mask. Use anything your heart desires. Try to find something that has like grit in it, so you can really condition your lips and get off the dry skin that you have there. Another good trick is using a toothbrush. Buy an extra toothbrush whenever you're out in the store and just use that to exfoliate your lips. You guys, it really helps, and it's an easy little step that you can do. Like after you finish brushing your teeth, you can always just run the other toothbrush over your lips, exfoliate, and then you're good for the day. Add some balm or a lip mask over, and you got it. Oh, you guys, I didn't even mention, I'm filming in our living room today, so you guys can see something other than a white wall. You know what, I am gonna go ahead and add some of this Prime Essence that I have from Touch and Soul. This is what it looks like. It's called No Problem Prime Essence. Sorry, I always get so tongue-tied over that. So let's just add some of this magic to our face. I use this every once in a while. I really love adding this to my skin because it just makes it look super lush. Like bitch, you took care of that. And this is what we're looking like. I'm into it. So let's move on. So this is magic. I love this foundation. It works for so many different skin types because it's a satin finish foundation. It's not overly mattifying, and it's not a dewy foundation either, so it sits right in the middle. So it's a great option for a lot of different skin types. So we're just going to go ahead and apply some, and you'll definitely see what I'm talking about. So I just put a couple pumps onto my beauty sponge, like so. I almost got my shirt completely dirty. Oh my god. Landed on my hand, thank god. Do you guys see how nice that is? Like, ugh, I love it. I wish I had snacks right now. I don't. But if I did, I'm really craving Sour Patch Kids. It's not even funny. I'm gonna take a brush and start patting. Oh, and the concealer that I'm using is the Infallible Full Wear Concealer. It's the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. I'm mainly going to focus this under my eyes though. I really love applying it with a brush and just patting it under the eyes. I'm specifically going under the eyes again because this powder, I don't know how they did it, but this just like smooths everything. I know it's kind of extra, but if you can, I would definitely try it out because I ended up really loving this. I'm gonna start contouring a little bit, and as always I'm just using my Lorac Pro Contour palette. This is what it looks like in all its dirtiness. That's how you know a palette is just like well loved. I always like to focus my nose contour
on the upper, I don't know what this is. Is this the bridge of the nose? Whatever, like the inner part.
So I haven't contoured this side just yet, aside from the top. But can you guys tell how much definition was added back to my face? I was looking really washed out. Just contouring in the slightest bit just adds such a difference. I just have to add a little bit because to me it's just, it'll feel undone if I don't. You just want it to look as though there's dimension and shadow to your face. Just take your time. If you're new to nose contour, don't be scared of it. It's really simple. You don't have to go full out with like a cream contour. You can always go in with the powder contour and get the same effect. It's just a little bit more subtle and easier to work with. Because I just did a little bit of contouring on my cheekbone. When I do my contouring, I like to do like tapping motions. This Lorac powder really blends out beautifully. And I'm using the It Cosmetics anti-aging bronzer. But moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with some Fix Plus, just to bring some of the hydration back to the skin and get rid of that powdery look. So I'm just gonna use a good amount. I'm also gonna spray it on my beauty sponge. Just make sure everything looks nice. Just look how nice my skin looks right now. You guys, I love this so much. It's like that perfect peachy coral color. Like that. And then if you want, you can always add a little bit more. I think I'm gonna definitely add some more. I was like so busy just talking that I didn't even ask how you guys are doing. Like, drop me some comments, you guys. But yeah, like I was saying, please leave me some comments because I want to know how you guys are doing. What kind of shit have you guys gotten yourself into this summer? These are actually 2 palettes that I got from BoxyCharm. You guys, I fuck with BoxyCharm so much. Like, everything that I get from them I always use. So I do fuck with BoxyCharm heavy.
I'm gonna grab my fluffy blending brush. Oh my god, there's a lot of shadow.
Alright you guys, so my crease is cut. This is what we're looking like. They're not perfect, but that's what we're working with today. I just wanted to come back and show you guys the finished look, but all I did was add some Tarte Big Ego mascara. I'm not doing falsies today just because I haven't really been in the mood to put on falsies lately. I used to do it every day, but honestly I've been really into just wearing my natural lashes. Sorry that I'm all over the place with everything today, but I hope that you guys had some fun with me. I really enjoyed talking to you guys. Yeah, I don't know what to talk about anymore. Let me know if you liked this setup more than my, you know, plain white setup that I always do. Also, I would appreciate it so much if you guys hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe while you're at it. All right, you guys, your girl wants to unwind a bit. Again, thank you for watching. It's been real. I'll talk to you guys next time.